All right, folks, this is Jacob with Chris Smith's office. Today we're checking out a new listing at 1316 Spain Street. And this has to be one of my favorite renovations that we're selling right now. It is just so exquisitely done. It's all so clean in here. Check that out. So this place is offered at $329,000. We've got 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. And it's been renovated and restored. All these heavy all wood doors. These ones out front are antiques, as you can see. I love the whitewashed antique floors in here. They just look awesome. Here's one full bath. There's just so much charm to this renovation, and it came off so sleek. We've got one pantry for our laundry right here. And then a food pantry on the other side. I love this island. It's called a marble waterfall island. Comes off so clean. And that exhaust vent being covered in wood. Just really exquisitely done. This is our master over here. We've got about 1,544 square feet of living area here. Here's our walk-in closet for the master. 12-foot ceilings throughout, and you can really feel it. It makes the place feel so airy. You'll have to pardon our progress up in here. Of course, this will be dealt with before any sale or any further showings. I just wanted to get y'all in here right as we put it on the market. I like how they put the transoms above the doors and all new windows on the sides there, as you can see. So we're gonna have good energy efficiency in here. And I'll take you out back. Got a sizable yard here. And this is kind of left up to you. If you'd want to put grass back here, more power to you. I might turn it into more of a patio space. As you can see, they've already laid some bricks down. Again, this is 1316 Spain Street. We're offering it at $329,000, and I appreciate you watching this week's Walkthrough Wednesday. If you have any further questions about the building, feel free to give Chris Smith a call at 504-231-2004. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and this is Jacob with Chris Smith's office, signing off.